everybody. Hang on tight. Folks on the last few cars, look over to the middle of the depot on the left-hand side and wave goodbye to our depot master, Paul, there. Tell Paul that we're going to see him in a day or two. Thank you for most so we can never be going off that week. See you later, Paul. Bye, Robbie. We'll be back in a little bit. Now, we here in Dollywood, we consider ourselves fairly selected as a whole great smoke family. We got to keep it that way, so we count to three. Let's tell everybody here at Village Crossing that go out. 1, 2, 3. All right, good job, folks.
Cinders in my eyes. Cinders. I can't.
Alright, see you later. I'm going to tell y'all a little bit about this December 7th, 1941, came the attack on Pearl Harbor as Americans involved in World War II. U.S. Army determined that a military highway was needed to protect Alaska from invasion. And in 1942, the U.S. Army took over the White Pass and Yukon Railroad to build the Alcan Military Highway. May 1943, Baldwin Locomotive Works in Eddystone, Pennsylvania built our Narragansett Mikado-style engine number 192. It weighs just a little over 211,000 pounds, and it's a genuine Type 218 qualified speed driven engine. Simply means 2 small guide wheels in the front, 2 small guide wheels in the back, and 8 large drive wheels in the middle. After she was fit, she was shipped up to Skagway, Alaska, and took to work on the White Pass and the Yukon Railroad. Over 280,000 tons of supplies and materials along with thousands of troops and personnel were needed to build the Alcan Military Highway. Up to 34 trains, just like Engine 192, ran each day in support of road construction. And in only 9 months, it became possible became possible, and the Alcan Military Highway was completed. I bet you didn't realize we're right behind a true veteran of World War II. We here at Dollywood, we are proud of our veterans from all branches of the military, and our thoughts and prayers go with those on active duty worldwide today. And let's not forget our first responders, even. Thank you for our peace and freedom that we enjoy every day. So Engine 192 was retired from the White Pass to Yukon Railroad at the end of the steam locomotive era. It was purchased by Engine Park in 1961 and Railroad Railroad, where the station of the became known as Oneida Highway. Casey, he's behind the throttle today. Hey, Casey. So Klondike Cable continues to push the vision of Baldwin all the way from Dollywood to Dollywood Unit, Railroad Railroad, Lowest Junction, Silverado Street, and Pennsylvania. She entertains tens of thousands of people.
Cinders all over me today.
Well, we're going to head on up to Iron Mountain Summit, folks. Let's just sit back and relax. Now, if you look over here on your right-hand side, down there, Near's 5-acre expansion project, Wildwood Road. And from limited experiences like Dragonfly Roller Coaster, the Mad Mockingbird Ride, the Acre Ride, and my favorite, the Benjamin Bear Trail Ride. And
Gonna go buy it in a minute.
Fast, that's home for the big roller coasters like Wild Eagle, Mystery Mine, Fire Chaser Express, and the Tennessee Tornado.
Locker over there. I know. All over my pants. Fire chaser down here. There it is. No one's on it.
The Cherokee Indians call these mountains Chattahoochee, the land of the blue smoke. It's home to more plants and trees than anywhere else in the United States. And even in the air, you can hear the song of over 200 species of birds in flight. And it changes with each season and with each pair of eyes. And we have reached the top of the Iron Mountain summit here. We're about to go around the upper loop. Now we here at Dollywood, we love to show our engines off to you, so what do you say? Would you like to hear engineer Casey blow a little tune on his Lunkin Heimer 3-chime whistle? Alright then, let's tell old Casey to blow the whistle on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle!
Those are a long one.
And that was Casey and Klondike Katie saying thank you very much. Well, I would talk about the Great Smoky Mountain National Park, but they are obscured by cloud cover, so they really are the land of the blue smoke today. But they were established way back in 1934 by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt as a national park. And it's one of America's most beloved and national parks here in the country. Back in 2019, before the COVID thing, they had 12.8 million visitors. How about that? So while y'all are vacationing over here, y'all might want to take a little tour over there and see what that's all about. They even got elk over there. That's a sight to see. They're pretty big. Now, if y'all look over here through the vines and trees on the left-hand side, you'll see the Fire Chaser Express roller coaster. It's the one with the dark green rails on it. Now, that's a fuel-launched roller coaster that will take you forward and backwards. And also, behind there, you'll see the giant blue rails of the Wild Eagle roller coaster. Now, that will haul you up in the air about 23 stories, drop you 13 stories into a 110-foot giant loop and speeds over 63 miles an hour. Hey, let's have a show of hands. How many brave hearts here on this train has rode the Wild Eagle? All right, hey, that's kind of impressive. Let's have another show of hands. How many are big old chickens like me and ain't going to ride that doggone thing for nothing in the world. Yeah, well, at least you're not ashamed to say it. Well, I'll tell you what, if you go into the merchandise shop there at the foot of the Wild Eagle, you got a blue t-shirt for the brave, and then you got a bright yellow t-shirt for the big old chickens like me. So just to figure out what you are and wear that shirt with pride, y'all. There ain't no shame in either one of it. Okay, I'm going to play y'all a little railroad music if I can get my iPad working here. I think my iPad's dead. Well, I guess then, in that case, y'all don't want me to sing, that's for sure, because I'm not too good of a singer. So I will just kind of be back here. I see some folks going around on the Dragonfly roller coaster down there while the road. I've heard that's pretty fun. I don't do coasters. I really like to keep my feet on the ground.
Ooh, look at the slide.
And we are now passing through Boogertown, Tennessee. We are now leaving Boogertown, Tennessee. Hey, look up there to the engine and wave to our fireman Rob. That's Rowdy Ramblin' Rob up there shoveling all that coal into the firebox. Now on a busy day, our engines will burn up to 5 tons of coal, drink about 4,000 gallons of water, and they will haul about 4,000 to 6,000 of y'all up and down this mountain. Now we here at Dollywood, we are proud of our engines and those guys and gals that operate them, and we sure do hope that you enjoy riding behind them just as much as we do. Getting a little bit better look of the Dragonfly roller coaster right there. And also coming up on your left-hand side there is Dollywood's 5-time award-winning roller coaster, the Thunderhead. And directly behind there is the drop line. Now that will haul you about 230 feet straight up in the air, hold you for 5 seconds and let your feet dangle around, and then all of a sudden it'll drop you at 70 miles an hour. You better hang on to your britches on that one, because you probably will lose it if you don't. And further on back to Mystery Mine, that's a steel coaster with fast drops and white knuckle loops that will take you plunging 84 feet straight down the darkened mine shaft. And we're rolling back through Panther Canyon. Make sure you keep your arms and heads and legs and heads inside the coaches at all times. And if you look over there in that little valley on your left-hand side, you might see a bear hole. Yes, we do have bears around here. I think he's still hibernating. I don't see no bears sticking out. All right, we're about to roll back through the Owens Farm crossing again. So let's get our hands up and wave to everybody that's waiting for the train to pass. I'm sure there's a huge crowd out there. Howdy, folks. Hey, guess what we got up there? We got Miss Lillian on the left-hand side down there in Craftsman Valley. Now, she's Dollywood's very own chicken lady, and she's going to send us a chicken blessing to y'all. Let's kick that heel up, Miss Lillian. Here we go. Whoop! Yeah! We love you, girl. Go see Miss Lillian and cut the rug with her. Hey, we're moving back through the village crossing, so let's one more time, let's tell them how. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! All right, good job, folks. Thanks for coming out to the park, folks. We appreciate you so much. Have a great day, y'all. Take care.
On that water ride.
And on your right-hand side is the Great Smoky Mountain River Rampage ride. That's Dollywood's own washing machine there. So you can get in one of those inner tubes and take a splash around that canal. You will surely get wet. And after you get done with that, hop on over to the Rocket Roadway, get in one of those little 50s vintage cars and take a spin around that track. You probably don't need a driver's license for that. I don't think you do. And on the left, here's Country Fair. Hey, there's Billy out there waving at us. Hey, Billy! And on your right-hand side coming up is Dollywood's full-service train shop. Inside there,
honey.
it won't be too much longer before we get into number 70 Cinderella going. Something to look forward to in 2021. On behalf of myself and my fellow conductor on car 3, who is Tim, I want to thank y'all for riding with us today on the Dollywood Express. Have a wonderful and blessed day, folks. Thank you so much, and as they say here in Tennessee, y'all come back now, you hear?
Once again, folks, we would like to remind you to please remain seated until it is safe to exit. Please bear with us for a few moments when we stop. We have a few passengers on our last car that we'd like to give a little bit of a head start before everyone else exits. Thank you, and enjoy yourself here at Dollywood.
Well, it has come that time again, folks. We're about to arrive back at the depot and complete our journey, so I need to ask everyone at this time to start collecting up all your personal belongings, like backpacks, personal cell phones, cameras, anything that belongs to you. Please take it with you. That would include unruly children and crazy husbands.